Okay guys, so for today's video I thought I would do a little cooking with me for today. I just picked up a HelloFresh meal. I got it at Target. I'm actually super surprised but excited that Target carries HelloFresh. I don't know for how long it has been carrying it because I haven't checked often that section, but I do know that they had this other meal kit service, but when I saw that they had HelloFresh and it was the last box, and I was like, I'm gonna pick it up because I've been wanting to try HelloFresh for a long time. I even have like a little coupon right here. I get this from my GNC box. This is a $50 gift card for $25 off your first 2 deliveries. So I do have this, and so anyways, I was so excited to see this at Target. I got the Southwest beef and pepper jack tacos. So tacos, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm excited. I've already kind of started prepping, and I totally thought, you know what, why don't I film this, see how it goes, see how easy it is, or how delicious it is. I mean, you can't go wrong with tacos, honestly, right? So I'm going to show you guys. I have somewhat prepped. I'm not fully done prepping, but I wanted to show you guys with what it comes, obviously. So it comes like this in a box, like this. It's in the fridge area in the at Target. So wrapped, this is what you see. That's what called my attention because I was like, tacos? Yes. So it serves 2 people, which is fine for me. My husband, my kids are a little bit more picky, so they probably won't be eating this. I can give my oldest because he likes tacos, but my youngest doesn't eat stuff. So anyways, so it comes with everything you need. It says what the kit includes, and it says 4 simple steps, and it gives you the nutrition facts down here, which is good. So you can always use this to put in your trash, what you're done disposing. And let me show you guys real quick what I've been chopping up and stuff. So it came with an onion. I halved the onion, as you can see. Now I'm cutting it into thin slices. It comes with a jalapeno. I zested the lemon, and then I what is it called? I cut the lemons into like quarter sized, and then I'm on to this step, and then I guess this is gonna be the next step. It came with 2 sour creams, I believe. Yes, 2 little packets of sour cream, so that's for like each person, I'm sure, but we're gonna make a sauce. Is it a sauce? It's a crema, sorry. So it's for the crema. Then it came with this custom blend, warm and smoky Southwest spice blend. So I'm excited. 1 tablespoon of this. It comes with some so cute little Cholula packet. If you guys know me, I have my own bottle because I love this stuff. So just in case I need more, I do own more of that. So it comes with some tortillas, some flour tortillas, 6 of them. So that should be enough. And then some pepper jack cheese. So I'm going to keep doing this, and so you guys can see. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with the HelloFresh meal. It is right behind me. Well, I've been done for a while, but as you could see, I did make lunch for my husband because he came home from work for lunch. And then I started cleaning up. I'm a little sweaty because I just like, I need to clean. Like it's a thing, okay? It's a thing. I literally have to clean. I was trying to put some of the Christmas stuff away. We also have boxes from Christmas and stuff, so there's that going on down there. But I wanted to show you guys the meal. It looks really good. So it's right here. I mean, it doesn't look like the picture, but I didn't put the jalapenos because I'm not a jalapeno person. I saved those for my husband. So it's 3 tacos for each person, or 2 or 1, whatever you want. But yeah, I'm gonna have 3 tacos. I haven't eaten anything, and it is 2:20 right now. Having some Monster just because I need energy. So yeah. I'm excited to try these for you guys. I did add guac because I did add guacamole because I did have some from yesterday. I made a fresh batch and I still have some, so I wanted to use it up. And tacos with guacamole, bomb.
And you should buy good pajamas for Christmas.
So the lime that came with the kit was so dry, has no juice, and you can taste how, what's the term, acidic, or not even acidic, it's just not right. It doesn't taste right, the juice, the lemon juice, and you can taste it in tacos. So I'm actually gonna go get a lemon from my own fridge, which are super juicy, and hopefully that helps it. So I have my limon. I honestly love my tacos with a lot of lemon. I really do. It has a kick. They're really good. They're really good. It has a kick from the serrano, and also from the pickled onion, because I did put the pickled onion in here because I marinated in the jalapeno, so it has that little bit of a kick, but not too much because I can't do anything spicy. I really cannot. But the meat has a nice flavor, and then the with the kick, and the crema, oh my god, that crema literally is just crema, water, and lemon zest, but wow, it's actually pretty good. I don't know why I didn't try or think of trying to do that with crema, you know, like have your own regular crema and then just mix lemon zest, and I don't know why, but it does taste good. So, and then I did add the Cholula, which gives it another extra kick. So yeah, I really like it. I might try out some more. If you guys want me to try out some more HelloFresh meals, most likely be picking them up at my local Target. So let me know if you guys want more HelloFresh videos, and give it a thumbs up so I can, you know. And please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And I'm going to finish eating these tacos because they are yummy. So I'll let you guys know in the description box down below what my husband thought, or maybe after this video I'll insert what he thought about the tacos after he tries them out. He doesn't get off till 5, so I'll let you guys know what he thinks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.